Here is a picture of the proto board with the magnetometer on it. You can see that we're still using the same 741 op-amp chip that we used last week, and we're using it in a integrating circuit with a resistor going to the negative input and a capacitor as the feedback resistor. But you can see that on the bottom there's a coil of wire, which is about 100 turns of insulating wire, and one end of that is grounded and the other end is going to the input. And then the output goes to the oscilloscope. So here I'm going to start the I'm going to take this little piece of wire and short out the capacitor because it has a charge on it. And now you can see the voltage is drifting up slowly from 0 because there's a finite infinite offset voltage on the op-amp, which all op-amps have to some degree or another. So what I'm going to do now is start it off, start the scope, and then I'm going to short it out, and then I'm going to bring the magnet in and out. Okay, so I shorted that out, and I'm going to take the magnet and bring it in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay, I'll do that again. And this time I'm going to do it with one direction of the magnet, and then I'm going to flip the magnet around and do the other direction of the magnet. Short it out, get it to go to 0, in, out, in, out, flip it around, in, out, in, out, in, out, and then I'm going to stop that and save it. Okay, I'll open the Tektronix open choice desktop, search for the instrument USB, okay. Waveform data capture, and I'm only using channel 1 now, so I only have that selected. Get data, and there it is there, and I'll copy to clipboard and save it in an Excel file. Paste. So here's time column, and here's the voltage column there. Now let's see if the speed of insertion of the magnet makes any difference, how much difference that makes in the voltage change. I'm going to start this, short out the capacitor, bring it in slowly, out slowly, in slowly, out slowly, in slowly. Now we'll save that. Okay, we're going to use this vernier caliper. Turn it on. It's in the millimeter scale. When you open it, it reads the distance between the jaws here. I'm going to zero it. First thing I'm going to do is measure the diameter of the magnet. And you can see the size, the diameter in millimeters. Next, I'm going to measure the approximate diameter of the coil, roughly the midpoint of the coil of wires, and that's the value there in millimeters.